Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Tired of the same old snacks? I've got the perfect solution for your next gathering. Today we are taking a trip down memory lane with a true classic minced mutton cutlets. These aren't your average appetizer, they are crispy on the outside, incredibly tender and flavor packed inside. And they disappear faster than you can say cutlets. If you have ever been intimidated by making cutlets, don't worry, I have broken down the recipe into the simple steps. We are going to use blend of aromatic spices and fresh ingredients that gives these cutlets their signature mouth-watering taste. So grab your ingredients, hit that like button and let's get cooking. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first in a hot pan, add oil. Then add 750 grams mutton mince meat. Add some salt to taste and fry the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the meat has changed its color. Fry it on a high flame. Cook it until the meat has released its juices. As you can see that the meat has released its juices, this is the time you will add all the masalas. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon fennel seed powder, and then fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the meat. Then add 4 potatoes peeled and cut in half. Add 2 cups water. Add 2 stock cubes and then give it a nice mix. And cover it and cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft. Cook it on a medium to low flame and then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the meat is perfectly cooked now and there is no water left. Make sure it is something like this. As you can see that the potatoes are nice and soft now, then simply crush all the potatoes. You do not need to completely mash it, you can leave some small chunks. When ready, simply leave it aside to use it later. Then in the same pan, add oil, add 6 garlic cloves chopped, add 2-inch ginger chopped, add 2 green chilies chopped and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped, add 30 to 35 curry leaves chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the cooked mutton mince, add some chopped coriander leaves. Then cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let the meat nicely cook with ginger and garlic. Then leave this aside and allow it to cool down completely. So the cooked mutton mince is cooled down to room temperature now. Then add 1 whole egg, add 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, add some salt to taste, and then give it a nice mix. Then take some cooking oil and apply it on the palm of your hands and simply shape the cutlets as shown. When ready, leave it in a separate plate. Let me show you one more cutlet. Do the same to all the remaining mix. So all the cutlets are ready now. Then take some semolina or rava and nicely coat the cutlets with semolina. Make sure to gently press it when coating the cutlets. Make sure to do the same to all the other cutlets. Then in a hot pan, add oil, and simply fry the cutlets until crispy and golden brown. Make sure to fry it on a medium to low flame. When ready, simply cook it on the other side. As you can see that the cutlets has got a nice golden brown color. Make sure it is something like this. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. So the mutton cutlets are ready now. And there you have it guys, our incredible perfectly golden minced mutton cutlets. Just look at that texture, crispy on the outside, and look how moist and flavorful that mince is inside. These are truly versatile. Serve them hot with a cooling mint chutney, a tangy ketchup, or even side them into a warm dinner roll. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.